Today's problem is a bad function on the head shower, so let's fix it. It's really the first part. Continue with the second one. This is the second part. It's almost done. What a difference. This is a waterfall head shower. You can see the pressure. It's nothing compared with the previous one. I really like it. Different. I like it so much, like I want to do one for my bathroom too. So this is the shower, so let's do to replace for a new one. So this is the new one. Same idea, just different model. Okay, after all the work, this is what it comes. I love the way it looks. Looks luxury. And I want to check the good part. See how that works. Wow. Nice. Let me change to the hose. You can feel the pressure. I love it.